Researchers studying people who live past 100 consistently find something unexpected. The single strongest predictor of extreme longevity is not genetics. It is the microbial community living in the gut. Centenarians show remarkably high gut microbiome diversity. Specifically, they maintain bacterial populations that most adults begin losing in their 40s and 50s.
Joseph is 102. He tends his garden every morning. His gut microbiome analysis looks like the profile of a healthy 50-year-old. The gut microbiome test is simple, a stool sample, analyzed using next-generation sequencing. The result is a detailed map of every bacterial species living in your digestive system.
The most immediately striking difference between centenarian gut profiles and average aging gut profiles is diversity. Centenarians have significantly more bacterial species and a different abundance ratio among them.
Three bacterial families appear consistently elevated in centenarian gut profiles: Akkermansia muciniphila, which protects the gut lining, Bifidobacterium, which supports immune regulation, and short-chain fatty acid producers that reduce systemic inflammation. Akkermansia muciniphila was found in high abundance in 91% of centenarians studied across 3 separate international cohorts. In average adults over 70, it is found in meaningful levels in fewer than 40%.
Joseph eats fermented foods every single day, has for 60 years. He did not know the mechanism. He knew it made him feel better. The science caught up to his intuition.
Plain yogurt with live cultures: kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso. Each of these introduces specific bacterial strains that research links to the centenarian microbiome profile, not supplements, food. The gut microbiome does not just affect digestion. Through the vagus nerve, gut bacteria directly influence brain chemistry, mood, and cognitive function. Through the immune system, they regulate systemic inflammation, the driver of nearly every age-rated disease. In a 2024 study of 12,000 adults over 65, higher gut microbiome diversity correlated with significantly better performance on cognitive assessments, memory tests, and processing speed measures. Gut bacteria need fiber to survive and thrive, specifically diverse fiber from diverse plant sources. The research on microbiome diversity consistently shows that dietary diversity is the primary driver of microbial diversity. 30 different plant foods per week is the threshold that multiple microbiome studies identify as correlating with significantly higher gut diversity. Not 30 servings, 30 different plants. Herbs, spices, and seeds count. In controlled dietary interventions, measurable improvements in microbiome diversity appear within 8 to 12 weeks. The gut responds to dietary change faster than almost any other body system. The finding, published in Nature Aging, was this: a unique and highly diverse gut microbiome signature was found in people living past 100, a pattern not replicated in any other age group studied.
When asked what his secret is, Joseph says he never had one. He says he eats real food, moves his body, sleeps well, and does not spend time worrying about things he cannot change.
3 changes worth making this week. Add 1 fermented food daily. Increase your plant food variety, aim for 5 to 7 different plants per day to start. And reduce ultra-processed food consumption, which actively suppresses beneficial bacterial populations. The bacteria living in your gut right now are making decisions that affect how you age, how you think, and how long you live. The good news is that they are extraordinarily responsive to the choices you make starting today.
This is what 100 looks like when the gut gets it right. His name is Joseph. His microbiome is the research. His life is the evidence.